The Wabash Provost Scholars Program is an undergraduate student research group at North Carolina A&T State University in Greensboro, North Carolina, USA. As scholars, we are trained to conduct student-focused group sessions, surveys, and other assessment activities under Institutional Review Board guidelines with the aim of improving the learning environment. Unlike most academic activities at the university, where there is a clear professional separation between the instructor and students, we work alongside faculty and administrators as co-researchers in guided campus inquiry. Our activities include developing questions and assessment instruments, collecting and analyzing data, summarizing the findings of our research, and sharing our results with the university community. As institutional researchers, we directly contribute to the knowledge base regarding the student learning environment and provide valuable ground-level input to senior administrators on campus initiatives and policies.
We have also presented our research at national and international conferences, trained faculty and students at other universities on how to develop and conduct their own student inquiry groups, and have served as paid assessment consultants on other college or university campuses. In addition, our work has been highlighted in a variety of publications. We are proud of the research that we conduct on campus and its impact, both locally and in the field of the scholarship of teaching and learning. We are truly involved in all aspects of the SOTL process, generating questions about student learning and the environment in which that learning takes place, conducting campus-based research with our fellow students on those questions, analyzing the resulting quantitative and qualitative data, and going public with our results. It's been a great experience to see how this kind of research has been valued by our chancellor, and even more rewarding to see our work serving as a model for others across the country.
The Wabash Provost Scholars are a part of a long history of student leadership at North Carolina A&T State University, a historically black university founded in 1891. For example, in February of 1960, 4 North Carolina A&T Student University freshmen, later named the Greensboro Four, sat down at the whites-only lunch counter of the Greensboro N.C. Woolworth store, sparking a wave of anti-segregation sit-ins across the southern states of the U.S. As a land-grant doctoral research university, our university enrolls nearly 11,000 students in both undergraduate and graduate programs. Approximately 85% of our 9,000 undergraduates are African American.
The Wabash Provost Scholars Program was originally developed in 2008 as a way to dig deeper into the first-year results of North Carolina A&T State University's Wabash National Study results. Our first research project in the spring of 2009 focused on the freshman academic experience, and in particular on issues such as the clarity of classroom instruction, course organization, prompt feedback, academic challenge, and faculty interest in students. In that first year, the Wabash Provost Program trained 17 undergraduate students to conduct student-focused group sessions, and each year the program enrolls about 20 scholars.
Initially, Wabash Provost Scholars received service hour credit for their work, but since 2013, the program has been run as a 1-credit hour course, which may be repeated. Undergraduate students are invited to participate in the program through a campus-wide invitation and student-led information sessions where we, current scholars, describe program responsibilities and our personal experiences as student researchers. Potential scholars must maintain at least an overall 3.0 grade point average.
Each semester, our inquiry focuses on a different topic of strategic significance to the university. Since 2009, we have conducted research projects on the effectiveness of faculty-led peer instruction, student experiences in introductory math courses, including a unique Math Emporium initiative. The overall intellectual climate at the university transfers students' experience and attitudes about campus diversity and inclusion. The latter two topics were directly related to the university's new strategic plan, Preeminence 2020.
For each topic, we gather background data, meet with our university clients, and then construct data collection instruments. We then conduct focus groups with 100 to 200 students, often supplemented with surveys, analyze the resulting qualitative and quantitative data, develop a written report of our findings and recommendations, and present our research to the university community, including the provost and chancellor. In recent semesters, we have also been invited to present our findings to the administrative council, the chancellor's cabinet, and most recently to the board of trustees. The Wabash Provost Scholars Program has become a highly valued component in the university's institutional assessment process, providing important student-level feedback and recommendations on a variety of institutional issues. We're extremely proud that our program represents a wide array of majors from across the university, illustrating how high-impact practices, such as undergraduate research experiences, can be made available to all students. All of our work is publicly available on the Wabash Provost Scholars website, and we encourage you to check us out.
My most valuable experience as a scholar was when 2 other scholars and I traveled to New York to conduct research for another university. This experience firstly took me out of my comfort zone as I had never flown before, and it also provided me the opportunity to represent my university in a professional manner.
For the past 3 years, I have been a Wabash Provost student researcher here at North Carolina A&T State University. And one of my most rewarding experiences as a student researcher was when I was selected to interview the graduate assistant that would be working with our program for this year. This experience was very rewarding and valuable to me because I was interviewing and selecting someone that would work hands-on with our scholars and co-directors of the program.
My most rewarding experience as a student researcher was presenting our research on diversity and inclusion to the Board of Trustees. This experience allowed me to meet individuals, alumni, that are interested in the university. Presenting this information to them allowed me to express to alumni how important diversity is or change is among our campus.
Hi, my name is Madison Gibbs, and I have been a Wabash Provost Research Scholar for about 3 years now. One of my truly rewarding experiences that I've had thus far has been with our Chancellor when we got to sit down and have lunch with him. It was a very intimate setting, and we got to directly communicate our findings with our research.
Can I get an Aggie Pride?
Aggie Pride?